Believe man tayo kay Marcos. No problem about it. Marcos is good. Give it to him, the honor. Marcos is excellent. Walang problema. We will agree para wala na lang gulo. Pero, well, wala naman, wala namang masabi. Otherwise, I'd be the first really to shout. Yung wala namang abuso si Marcos na for as long as he maintains his yung ganong ugali niya, okay lang. I think that I can live with him. I can bed with him. But wag lang yung kagaya noon na may mga abuso, then there is favoritism, lalo na sa military. So, yung mga ganun. For as long as government is run in a regular way, wala man tayong problema. Ako, I don't have any qualms against Marcos. Serious enough for me to speak out and say, Mr. President, we do not agree with you. Mr. President, you are wrong. And Mr. President, you stop it. Kasi hindi na maganda sa bayan niya. I have not reached that point. But kung meron akong hindi nagustuhan, out of respect, hindi naman, it does not really would go into the core of governance na walang, hindi masyado abuso. Sinisekreto. Isabi na amo natin na alam mo, baka masobrahan. Ganon. Tutulong ako, pero in whispers, because hindi naman tayo sa oposisyon. But there has to be somebody on the opposite side. Ang tawag niya normally is opposition sa politika. Pero in a body politic, sa governance, in a democracy, kailangan talaga merong sa kabila. Because the checks and balance will come whether you like it or not. Because governance is not an easy thing. It's a gamot of so many things sa buhay ng Pilipino, ng isang community, country, na maraming problema pasok-labas. And somebody has to attend to the problem, solve the problem. But then again, there has to be somebody which says that you are doing it right or you are doing it wrong. Because we have to protect the people of the Republic of the Philippines.